kitchen, guys. Thank you so much for all the support, and thank you so much for coming back and keep watching my videos. On today's recipe, I'm going to be showing you how to make arroz con pollo, chicken and rice, however you want to call it. The only thing I can tell you is that it's amazing, that it's delicious. So if you want to learn how to get it done, if you wanted to learn how to properly make arroz con pollo, stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, hit the bell for notifications, and if you want more recipes like this, let me know, and now we'll make it happen. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more videos like this. Let's not lose any more time, and let's get to the recipe. The amazing ingredients that we're going to be using on today's recipe to make our arroz con pollo. Here we have some rice, chicken, tomato paste, a little bit of cilantro, consomme, then a chicken cube, garlic, green bell pepper, onions, red bell peppers, and right here we have a little bit of salt mixed with oregano. The arroz con pollo is ready to be served, it's ready to be eaten, guys. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave your comment down below, hit the bell for notifications, and I would really recommend for you to make this at home because this is an amazing dish. You can make this any time of the day and any day of the week. Thank you so much for all the support. Hit the bell for notifications, subscribe to my channel, and remember, guys, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you next time with another recipe on Rice.